Well, guys, Lewis with Croftgate USA of Charleston. Another beautiful day here in Charleston, South Carolina. We are at the Clubs Royale gathering. We're probably figuring somewhere between 100 to 200 cars are going to show up. They also got a mobile dyno truck around here somewhere, some hot dogs and stuff. Anyway, let's get to the point. There's the 5-liter. We're going to go ahead and do Brian's Dodge Neon SRT. He has never used Croftgate. He's never heard of it until today. He was kind enough to volunteer the car. Basically, you're going to see it's dirty, it's black, and it's sunny out. We're going to do it right here in front of all these folks out here and make them all believers. That's what we do. We know our stuff works. We're going to be done here hopefully in about 45 minutes to the hour. There's Kurt out of Myrtle Beach right there coming down for the day with his little daughter to help us out. That's it. It's Croftgate USA of Charleston.